Welcome back, guys, to another video. Sorry I swapped really fast because there's a cop that keeps chasing me. I'm waiting for this stupid thing to spawn, but it just won't spawn. I have a key card, and there's a cop, and I'm almost screwed. Come up the ladder, I dare you. Come up the ladder. What? What? No, where did he come from? Okay, this gives me time to do this. Okay. Welcome back, guys, to another Roblox video on Jailbreak. If there's, like, kind of in the last video, I don't know if I asked this, but, can you guys give me some suggestions of games you might want me to do videos on? Because I'd love to hear them, because, to be honest, I'll do them, to be honest. I said, to be honest, way too many times. But, you know, just give me some suggestions, I'll definitely look into them. I will say, Murder Mystery 2, I've already done some videos on, oh, not videos, I've played that quite a bit. I'm actually like level 400 something, so I'm just giving you a heads up so you guys know that, and then so you guys aren't like confused, like, how are we already level this level, and you know, come on, I want to just glitch out of here real quick, because I don't want to sit here and escape again. Oh, come on, but, you know, today we're just going to be doing some, grinding, and let me check my money real quick. Right side. I have 31. Okay, that means only 44k left, and then I can get the boat like we said we would eventually get. Why will this not work? It won't work. Why isn't it working? And why do people glitch out the? Come on, get the seat. Come on. Ah, forget it. I'm just gonna escape the normal and go out here. But, you know, today we're gonna get that boat, but if you guys want, if we can reach, there's 4 people who watch, if we can get 4 likes, I will do a collab with a friend, and we will launch the nuke that's in the military base. I'm pretty sure he is really close, or he already has it. Escape spawn vehicles, fine. But, you know, sorry, I went away for that second. If we can hit 4 likes, I will do it with him. But, you know, but another thing, let me know in the comments. If I can, I will stream just me grinding for like an hour or so. You failed, and just, I'll go from there. I'll just sit there and grind. Come on. There's a game called Vehicle Simulator that you hit spacebar and it'll sit here and drift like this. Now in this game, it isn't that. It's when you hit spacebar, you jump out of the vehicle. Though I really should have gotten some guns, to be honest. Come on, people. Just because it says closed doesn't mean nothing. So let's go over here. Nope. Nope. That was a close one. Okay. No, fam. No. Okay, that's not the cop. Just drift like this and say, yeet, and get on out of here. No. No. That was close. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god, they're in the thing. Okay. Yeet, jump out of here. Oh, come on. Go. They're gonna escape already. Come on, get up here. And I have no guns. Me smart. Move out of my way. Wait, what? It's already... How is it already taken? Okay. My mask, thank you. Alright, that hurt. Alright, give me this bone. Give me another bone. Give me this. This isn't yours, this is mine. Thank you, but I'm gonna get this. Come here. Give me that thing. Give me this bone. Oh, come on. Just get out of my way. There we go. Got it. Now just get over here. Get over here. Out of here. And get ready to pull that button. Slash. You pull it. Alright, I have to abandon vehicle and do this one. Wait, what? I just got kicked out of my vehicle. That was weird. Just jump out here. Nope, that didn't work. Yeet. Yeet. I'll probably swap to the Lambo when I get to the base, but, you know. Remember, I don't know if all y'all are subscribed who watch, but please make sure to subscribe and like the video, because when you like the video, other people end up seeing the video, and then it actually makes me want to do more videos. Because at one point, there was, like, nobody watching me, and I'm like, this is kind of sad, because nobody's watching me. I don't think anyone wants to sit there and make a video for no one, because, to be honest, I don't think anyone wants to admit that they talk to themselves. But, you know. Walking, just keep walking. Oh, the bone's still there. That's surprising. Oh, it's over there. Okay. So, yeah, I don't need your car. I have mine. Honestly. Alright, let's go ahead and change clothes. Do this. Do that. Do that. And go get the Uzi and the AK. I don't know what my fastest vehicle is, but I think it's the McLaren. But I don't really care. Alright. What? Oh my god. I think I clicked something. What'd I click? Alright. That was annoying, because I tried doing a really cool drift. Okay. Okay, that's not a cop. Okay, we're good. Alright, I'm gonna try some real quick. I have to spawn another vehicle, though. Shut up. If you're a cop, I'm gonna kill you, though. I need this. I need to lock it. Okay, why can't I lock it here? Okay, drive forward. No, not passenger just yet. I need to go over here. Bring this over here so I can lock it. You cannot lock your car here. Yes, I can. I don't care. Bring... Okay, I need to bring it closer then. Okay, closer. Pop. Put it here. To this. Come on, come on, come on. Stop glitching out. Okay, I'm going to try and... I have to press and hold this and hope I can get glitched. Ah, dang it. I'm trying to do an invisible thing real quick. I don't know why. I don't really need it, but it's helpful. I mean, you'll see in a second when I get this, if I can. There, oh, did it! I did it. Alright, now just do this, and just spam this. That was supposed to work. I don't know why it didn't. Unless it got patched. Dang it. Dang, it didn't do it. Come on, not that seat. I need this seat. Jeez. It did it. Okay. Now just do this. And do this. I think I need to do this. Why isn't it working? Come on. At least now I know what I'm doing. I have to do this. I have to sit there and do this. I have to jump out with the gun in my hand. Come on. When I get this, I'll do it. When I get it, I'll unpause the video. Alright, see you then. Alright guys, I wasn't able to get the, whatchamacallit. I wasn't able to go invisible. It's probably been patched or something, but I may have also been doing it wrong. I know the first part where you go in the passenger and spam the AK on and off. I know I got that part right, because you saw I was tilted sideways. I was like broken. That is the start of it, and you're supposed to go on the passenger of the bike and spam it again, and then it's supposed to work, but it just wouldn't work. I don't know why. But maybe sometime in like another video I'll try and do it again. Maybe I'll do my research, but also while off camera I leveled myself up to pass level 10 on cops, so I was able to do this area. But you know, I suck at criminal most of the time. Well, I suck at not getting caught really. So that's why I was able to do that and not caught prisoner already. But you know, that's alright. Just go out here. I just wanted to show that real quick. Nobody's at the museum, so the only place I really can do is probably the plane area because it's about that time. So go back to the tracks, right? I'm trying to remember where the plane is. It is that way, I think. I just went down the wrong road. I could have just gone the road I was already going before I turned into the museum road. Me dumb. Alright. The plane is that way. I need to get the plane, not the jetpack. I can get the jetpack in a minute. Right now, the plane is first priority because it spawns right around now. Where are you, buddy? Where is this plane? I don't know how else to get in there besides that ramp right there. Oh, that's not right. It wouldn't let me. Oh god. The plane's gonna come anytime now. I have to hit that jump now. Dang it. Come on. Drift all the way around. Yes, it turned around. Please be right about the timing of the plane now. Come on. That's right. I can just jump. I can just use my car. Ow, that hurt. Where are you, plane? I'll cut back when the plane gets here. Alright. A jerk cop decided to kill me, okay? Because he said he's nice, okay? So I trusted him, okay? Because I killed him, okay, the first time. So that's probably why he cuffed me. But like, he had a criminal with him. So either that was a pet plan or something. But that's okay. I am going to get payback. And it's gonna be nice. Alright, let's see. Wait, what? No. No. No, he just went through that. That dude just went through the doors. Straight up. Alright, let's see if I can glitch up here and get to that helicopter. Come on. Come on. A little bit more higher. Alright. I really need a person to edit this kind of stuff out. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on. Yes! Finally! Jeez, sorry, that was probably your eardrums. But I just did that. Oh god. Just waiting for the cop that's right there. There was a cop. Yeah, I see him. I see the cop right there. If only I could pickpocket him from where he is. If only. I would. Straight up. I'm pretty sure that's a no. Straight up. Oh, come on. Open this door. Open this door, please. Come on. I just want to get in. Come on, let me in. Let me in. Let me in. There's a cop in here. Please, come on. Oh, they killed him. Thanks. That's right. I'll just jump down here. Oh, that was a dumb idea. Now... How much money do I got? I have 36. I think I can go get that boat now. There we go, guys. We can get the boat now. Spawn the Lamborghini. Come on, get out. Thank you. Jeez, what an exact. What is? I saw that blue thing earlier, but like, I didn't think it was real. I thought it was like a glitch in the screen. Guess not. No, I'm not going to go back and check on it. Come on, this handling sucks. Come on. There we go. Let's see. Get in if you're... Okay, that dude doesn't know how to speak. The plane and stuff is that way. Right. Me and what guns? I just realized. This is really annoying, because now I have to go all the way back over here. It's really dumb, to be honest, what that dude did. Alright. Again, I'm going to cut it, and this time it's actually going to be when the cargo plane gets here. Unless a cop does something stupid like that again. Peace. Oh my god, it's finally here, jeez! Let's go! Stay away from the blades. If you die, I swear. Okay, I was gonna say, if he dies. Wait for it to go down. Hopefully no cops come at me. I have no guns. Alright. Cool. What? Oh, that's for opening the door. Wait. Will I not be able to open that door? Hopefully it's not as glitchy as before. Oh, yep, for him it's glitching. He's not standing still. We have to get in the air before it'll let us take it. Alright. Oh, I saw something. Oh my god, I can see outside. Inspect crate. I'm gonna wait. Alright, we're really close to it. Check crates. Check crates, check crates, check crates. You already have a crate, but it says check the crates. Maybe one of them isn't a box, maybe. Come on. Oh my god, it opened. Ow, ow, it's killing me. Right. Oh, I'm almost at base. Oh wait, no, it has to go to the cargo port. Oh god. And I'm gonna make that. Totally not gonna get shot out of the air. Or seen. Also, I'm not 6. Jeez. Alright. So, the thing I gotta go to is over here. Okay. I'm still gonna get caught mid-air. I'm telling you this. Either I'm gonna get shot and be like, pop, pop, pop. Although I'm pretty sure it pays pretty darn well. But since I didn't have a key card, it really didn't help me. Base is over. Follow the train tracks. Oh, someone's shooting at me. Someone's shooting at me. I don't know if I can spawn a car or not. Or if I have to run this. We wish I could glitch it like yesterday. Where we can just sit here and go up. I was somehow going up with the parachute or whatever. It was so weird. I'm gonna try. Let's see if I can spawn something. I'm gonna spawn the Lamborghini when I land. Land already. Land. Spawn. Oh yes, it still works. Okay, good. Don't know where I'm storing the box, but okay. This should give me a lot of money. Right. I got distracted yet again. The main goal of today was to get the boat. Alright. But I'm going to take this, because I don't know how much this pays. Because, can anyone launch a nuke? Yeah, that'll probably be the video that we'll do if we can get 4 likes on this video. I'm at the cargo port. Oh wait, no, it's over there. Bro moment. And there's the boat. Great placement. Jeez. What's over here? Yeet. Get in. Come on. 4,000. Jeez. That's a lot. Considering, well, okay, it's not compared to a couple other robberies if you have the extra bag, but, you know, I have 40k now. 35. Enter driver. Y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. As the boat sits there and freaks out. You can't customize the boat. I'm pretty sure the boat is underwater too. This boat needs to be fixed. It's terrible. This was a terrible purchase. Straight up. Terrible. First of all, it's really slow. Second of all, the freaking turning on this sucks. Oh my god. That and the water's in the boat. And it doesn't make it up the ramp. Worst purchase of my life. Alright. And look at that. Okay, that is one terrible looking propeller. Okay. Okay. Alright. We're gonna go make a actual good robbery because this thing sucks. Wow, I lost a lot of money to that. That was terrible. That was bad. Yeah. Go die. When is that ever gonna come in handy? Like, straight up. What have I done? Don't buy the speed boat. Speed. Don't buy. Don't buy it. Straight up, don't buy it. That sucks. Maybe. Who cares? Okay, the jewelry store is this way. And there's a million cups over there. Nice. That's awesome. Let's go over here. Not get stuck, because there's camping cops over there. And I have no key card, so I can't really do much. Right. I'm pretty sure I know exactly what I'm going to do. Leave our cup to spawn in there, once I go get guns. Actually, I can get guns inside there. That's nice. Yeah, let's go do that then. As I fall off the road. Thanks. This way. Actually, honestly, it'd just be easier if I just had the jetpack. Let's go get the jetpack instead. Oh, come on. I know it's considered kill farming what I'm about to do, but like, it's the only way I'm gonna get a key card. There's people over there. And I have no guns. Iron knee alert. Watch that be cops and crap. I don't know if it's a cop though. Oh, yep, there's a cop. There's a cop. Nice. Let's not get caught by the cops either. Sorry, I just stopped speaking right there. That was pretty bad. Drift around this corner because that's the only way you're gonna make it around this stupid corner. Unless you have an extreme. I just hit something. That was weird. We all saw that too. Better not be a cop up here camping this. Okay. Let's run out on gas real quick. refill it. Refill. I refilled it, right? Now I wanna refill it again. I'm just emptying it out. Thank you. I like to have a full tank, to be honest. So who knows what I'm gonna do with it. Alright, refill. Refill with standard fuel. That means it's filled now. I'm just gonna jump over this policeman's head. Wait, is he still here? I'm looking at the map. Dang it, I think he's gone. Darn it, that's okay. That's okay, that's okay. I hate this thing, but just for some money, let's go. No one ever no cops come here ever. So weird. Right. I'm the bomb at these things, like straight up. Yeet. And done. And plus this is just like a cheat. Just straight up, just get the rocket, get up here, all done. You just gotta jump this, jump that, and you're done. Alright, I hate this part though. Go right here, do that. Why do, oh my god, what's wrong with me? Just do this, do that. Bring this around, 3 is over here, so boom, boom, boom. I did it. That is. No, 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 come on! Flip. $6,000 I just lost. Because it wouldn't let me go. And lost my bounty. Well, that's enough for this video. See you later. But, you know, I don't know what to do next. Let me know in the comments what car I should get or whatever. Because the $1 million cars, though, that might take me a bit. But depends. But until then.